One of our satisfied customers just posted a great review about us, and we wanted to share why they were so happy with us. We love telling everybody about it because we're focused on giving each customer a 5-star experience. And it's no surprise that we love hearing from our happy and satisfied customers, and this review is no exception in showing our dedication to superior customer service. This is one of our favorite reviews as well. Very inspiring. But please, don't take their word for it. We're confident that you'll discover the difference for yourself when you work with our expert team. Attention to detail and our unmatched quality are our specialties. We want to thank you for checking us out today. You can call us at the number on the screen. We hope to hear from you soon.